Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to generate barcodes jQuery and JavaScript using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. So, let's start the demo. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Next, input your JavaScript and HTML sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. After adding the sample code, save the files. Now, let's run the program. Open your program folder, and click on the HTML file. For authentication key, add your PDF.co API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, input the barcode value. Then, select the barcode type you'd like to generate. Once you're done setting up the barcode, click on the Generate button to see the result. Here's the generated barcode in Jquery. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.